In today's tutorial video, I'm going to walk you through the process on how to turn on TikTok analytics. To turn on the analytics of TikTok, you need to convert your account to a business account first. So head over to the app of TikTok and then tap on your profile. From here, you'll need to tap on the three lines on the top right and then tap on settings and privacy. Now you'll need to tap on account and you'll need to switch to a business account. After you're done switching to a business account, you can again tap on the three lines and there you'll see an option for creator tools, and on the top under general it will give you the analytics. Here you'll have a few sections: the overview section, the content where you'll be able to see or create posts, the followers section and the live section. So that was the process on how to turn on analytics feature on TikTok.